Receive an email anytime a public form is submitted by leveraging our workflow recipes. With the Send an email with a PDF copy of a submitted public form workflow, you can be notified when a public form is submitted and include a PDF of the form as an attachment. To get started, go to the Workflows tab and click Create Workflow in the upper right-hand corner. Then click on the tile for Send an email with a PDF copy of a submitted public form. As with other workflows, you can decide whether you want this to fire based on specific templates being submitted or specific individuals submitting the form. For this example, we'll leave it set to all templates submitted by anyone. Typically, we recommend naming workflows as a best practice, but since this will be for all templates, we'll leave the name as is. Then we'll click Next. Here, we'll determine who we want to be notified when a public form is submitted. The subject and the body of the email can be customized, but we'll leave it as is to keep things easy. Lastly, we'll click the Publish button to set this live. And that's it. As always, feel free to reach out if you have any questions.